Welcome, a one-level English vocabulary students, to our practice session. Thank you for participating. I recommend pausing the video and repeating it if necessary. You'll find 3 activities to strengthen your learning and language practice. Pay close attention, this practice will be very helpful for you. I invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you'll be among the first to see our next educational English content. Let's get started.
White goods. Basic household appliances. Directed practice for English vocabulary students at A1 level. White goods. Explanation. Sure. White goods refer to large household appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, and ovens, known for their predominantly white color. These essential items are used for cooking, laundry, and food preservation in homes and businesses. They are commonly found in appliance stores where customers can choose from various brands and models to suit their needs. Let's start with the first activity. Instruction. Name the words before time runs out. Blender. Freezer. Refrigerator. Microwave. Dryer. Fan. Toaster. Stove. Air conditioner. Oven. If you want to access our premium educational content, go to the link provided in the video description. Premium content on Patreon. The link to access is below in the video description. Let's start with the second activity. Instruction. Read the story analyzing the use of the words. Home technology. The Smith family's shopping excursion. Today, the Smith family decided to go shopping at the city's large appliance store. They were excited to upgrade some of the appliances in their home. As they walked through the aisles, they observed the different products on display. The oven they had been using for years was no longer working properly, so it was time to look for a new one. Meanwhile, little Emily was delighted with the air conditioner blowing cool air in the air conditioning section. Suddenly, the smell of freshly cooked food led them to the kitchen section. There, they found a variety of stoves and toasters that caught their attention. Mother, Sarah, was particularly interested in a sleek stainless steel stove that seemed perfect for her kitchen. Meanwhile, Father, John, stopped in front of a stylish microwave that promised to make dinners quicker and easier. As the family continued to explore, eldest son, Jack, veered off towards the smaller appliance section. He paused in front of a standing fan, imagining how useful it would be in his room during hot summer days. Meanwhile, Sister Lily was thrilled to find a state-of-the-art dryer that would leave her clothes soft and ready to wear in no time. Finally, they reached the refrigeration and freezing section. The refrigerator they had at home was starting to falter, so they needed a new one. The family carefully examined the different options, ensuring they chose one that suited their needs. Additionally, they decided to invest in a spacious freezer to store extra food and have more space for their purchases. After a few hours of exploration and decision-making, the Smith family left the store with a complete list of new appliances for their home. They were excited to return and start enjoying the comforts of their new acquisitions. Let's begin with the third activity. Instruction. Listen to the use of the words.
Yeah, I'm balling real hard using my employee discount to buy oven mitts.
So should I still bring the Sylvia Plath? Or?
No, we can just stick our heads in the oven if we run out of things to talk about.
A little loving from the oven. Couscous for everything.
Look, if we're gonna screw up the details, we might as well call San Quentin and tell them to fire up the Dutch oven.
They got 2.5 kids. Me, my sister Kelly, and whoever that is in the oven.
Well, I'm on the roof now because the air conditioner is broken.
Suppose your mom's turned on the air conditioner.
Ugh. You fix my air conditioner, lady.
An air conditioner.
AM radio, air conditioner, power windows, power brakes, power steering, power seats.
Soup's on the stove. Heat it up if you get hungry.
You got your cabinets up here, your stovetop.
One time he held Teddy's ear to his stove and almost burned it off.
Oh, Arlene.
No fridge. No stove, neither.
Coffee's on the stove.
It's like trying to drive a toaster through a car wash.
And I don't think my father, the inventor of toaster strudel, would be too pleased to hear about this.
What the hell, I don't want my toaster or my vacuum cleaner appearing in motion.
Don't play with words. You know what I mean. Toaster, oven, same thing.
I found a toaster.
Smith's fan.
Yeah, Tom.
Well, it wasn't any secret to me you were staying at the Silver Creek. Seeing as how I'm your #1 fan and all.
Oh, just a little fan mail. So it turns out Miss Lahaki is actually a fan of yours.
Read it.
Dear avid fan, you honor me. You're very beautiful.
Have you got a hair dryer?
Samantha, put the clothes in the dryer and bury Jelly.
Maybe I'll put him in my spin dryer on high heat.
Take a picture, slice his throat, put his head in a dryer.
But she still managed to come home with a tumble dryer and drill set.
Microwave transponder.
Not like it did when the microwave blowed up last month. Wire.
I'm by myself today, ate my lunch out of the microwave.
My microwave?
Yeah.
In the drawer under the microwave. Oh.
You got an egg in that refrigerator?
Do you know where he keeps my medicine?
In the refrigerator?
Annie, there's a big lobster behind the refrigerator.
There are Cokes in the refrigerator. Help yourselves.
Huh? The refrigerator?
Please.
Okay, look, I've been alone in a freezer for years, so either...
No more lugging open that heavy freezer door.
Why? You looking for a freezer?
Has an electric stove, refrigerator, freezer, silverware.
This one says pie juice, beetroot, soybean oil in a blender.
Each? Throw a movie in the VCR and mix you up a gooey blender drink.
You got the blender. CD player's mine.
You don't put the broccoli stems in the blender, just the flower heads.
Eleanor had a blender and she used to make me smoothies.
Dear A1 level English vocabulary students, we want to express our sincerest gratitude for being part of our practice today. We hope it has been of great help to you. If you have any questions about the activities, we encourage you to replay the video. The idea is for you to practice correctly and strengthen your language skills. We cordially invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. This way, you'll be supporting our efforts in creating our educational English videos. Thank you again and see you next time.